Hey there, Tweetie here. Just wanted to let you know that down below in the description we've got links for you to go to that's going to be more interesting to some of you. And so, let's get right to this. You need to have a plan just in case an emergency happens. In the last few years, we have had our roads washed out so that we couldn't get directly home on our usual path. We have been called while at work that our house was on fire and we lost everything. You have to have a plan. Many people forget that disasters don't wait for you to get home or happen right then. You have to know what you're going to do when you're at work, at school, or elsewhere, how you're going to get to be with the rest of your group, what to do if you need to get home, and where you're going to meet with everybody else. You need to figure that out. Sit down, hash it out, make sure that you've got 2 or 3 ways or directions that you can go to get there, and do it soon because a disaster could be around the corner. Want you to all be safe. So, if you've enjoyed this tip, click a like. If you want to hear more of these, subscribe to us. We're here for you. God bless and angels all around. Bye now.